If you want to turn on or off live activities on your iPhone, I'm going to show you what they are, why you might want to turn them on, and of course, how to turn them on or off. Now, this is an example of a live activity from like Uber or Lyft, but you might also see live activities for other live things like live sporting events on ESPN, or maybe even some other delivery service like Uber. And you can see on here, it just pops up with something on your iPhone screen that gives you a live update. Again, usually this is something that you want to track in live motion, like as an Uber driver gets to you or during a sports game, you want to track the score. To be able to turn this on or off, just hop into the settings app on your iPhone. Oh, let me go back to the beginning of the settings so that you can follow along. And from here, scroll to the bottom, tap on apps at the bottom, and then find the app that you want to either enable or disable. Let's say ESPN in this case. Tap on that and then choose live activities. All you need to do is choose whether you want frequent updates or you can turn that off. And if you don't want live activities, you can always toggle that off completely. Unfortunately, there's no one toggle button to completely turn them all on or all off across all apps. So you do need to go one by one on specific apps that you want them enabled or disabled. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.